Okay, so this is how you use a grayscale and value finder. I have this reference photo that I want to paint, and I have also printed it out in grayscale, which I find is helpful when you're working out the values at the beginning. And then I have the design, which I have loosely sketched onto my canvas. And I have my grayscale and value finder ready, and I have my paint that I am about to mix. So I'm going to start with these dark shadows in these hollows on the neck. So you hold the grayscale value finder up to your image and you sort of slide it over the area that you're trying to see so that these little keyholes go over that area, so you're only looking at that one spot, and then you can easily isolate what value that is. And you can see these shadows are value number 2. And you can see in between these two shapes of these dark shadows, there's this little stripe that's a slightly lighter value. So I want to find out what value that is. So I use this thing, slide it, and see that that is value number 3. Then I mix my colors to try and match value 2 and value 3. So I have those 2 tones. So this is just burnt sienna and white, and I hold up the value finder again to my paint colors to see that yes, I have mixed a pretty good value 2 and a value 3. So I'm going to use those 2 colors to fill in the shadows on the neck and then the slightly lighter shadow. And of course, when you are painting skin tones, you are going to end up spending a lot of time blending these shapes together to make it look more like skin and to be softer. But at the beginning, I'm just blocking in the colors, so I have all of those values correct. And then I go back and I tweak it and I blend it and I correct the shapes and add smaller details. But this gets me off to a good start with getting my values correct. And you can see it works pretty well.